Hello viewers, in this video I will show how to solve Facebook Lite message connecting problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Tap on Hold Facebook Lite, click on App Info, tap on Storage and Cache, tap on Clear Storage, tap on Clear. Go to Play Store, click on Search bar, search Facebook Lite, update Facebook Lite, update Facebook Lite app if available on Play Store, swipe down notification panel, turn on flight mode, check internet connection on your phone, go to Facebook Lite. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.